Well, hello, hello. Hey, mamas. Jessyka Coulter here. We are going to continue our discussion about the Smart Cookies Club. Today is reason number 2 why you should join. Our focus is going to be those study skills workshops. So, let me know down below. Have you, 1, signed up for the Smart Cookie Club yet? And 2, do you know anything about the study skills workshops? Did you hear about, maybe even sign up for my workshop back in July? So let me know those 2 question answers down below. And do you know there's a link for you in the description that will take you to the page all about the Smart Cookies Club. So definitely stick with me as we talk about the study skills workshop today. And then go to that link after the video and figure out, do you want to be a good, better, or best cookie? So, study skills workshops. You can definitely sign your teen up for a workshop without being part of the membership, the Smart Cookie Club, but there are reasons to sign up for the membership and then also sign your teen up for the club, for the membership. Wow. Let me start over, okay? So, you can sign your teen up for a study skills workshop without being a member, but there are a lot of reasons, a lot of advantages to being both a member of the Smart Cookie Club and signing your teen up for a workshop as well, or even on top of that. Okay, a couple of reasons why. One is that 2 levels of the membership are going to help you pay for a workshop for your child. Okay, the best, the top tier, you get 1 child into 1 workshop every single month. Okay, so this month here in September, our study skill is time management. So in just a couple of weeks, from the 19th to the 21st, you can get your teen into that study skill workshop for free with the best cookie membership. Okay, so that's pretty amazing. Okay, the membership pays for itself, especially if you have multiple teens and you want different teens to take different workshops, or you even want, okay, we're gonna repeat some of these workshops as time goes on, as we add more people to the membership, and maybe your child takes it this month, and then a couple months later, a different child takes the same workshop. Okay, which is pretty awesome. So that's reason number 1, to be a member and to also have your child go to the study skills workshop. I can tell you with our middle tier, the better cookie, you are going to get a discount on the workshop. So not included with your membership, but instead of paying $47, you'll pay $27, which is great. And then with the good level, which is our introductory, you'll be paying full price. But even if you think about it, 47 plus the 27 to be a member, that's still a lot less than it would be to pay, say, for 2 workshops, or it would be to miss out on that resource and the homework session and the live interview. Okay, all these extra things are only available when you're a member. Okay, so got the cost figured out, but you might be going, Jessyka, tell me what a study skills workshop actually is. Like, why does it matter if it's part of the membership? Why do I want my teen to go to one? And those are awesome questions to ask Mama. So let's get to those. Let's talk about those. Before I do, it looks like we're live on Facebook right now. YouTube's been giving me troubles for a couple days, so just like yesterday, I'll make sure the Facebook video is over on YouTube here soon. But would love to have you a follower, love to have you a subscriber if you're not already. And do also know, this is only reason number 2 why to become a Smart Cookie, why to join us in the membership. So keep an eye on your notifications so you know what those next reasons are. And for any of you wondering, I'm Jessyka Coulter, CEO and founder of Ace Cookie Tutoring. I'm a study skills tutor, and this membership's brand new, but it's been brewing in my heart for a very long time because I love to teach teens how to learn. I love to teach teens study skills so they can actually love to learn, because that teaches them how to learn. But I know that that one-on-one can be a little out of the price range for some families, and that's why I'm trying to come up with an awesome compromise, a good introduction into the world of studying. And that's where those study skills workshops come into play. So all of my lessons through my Love to Learn Study Skills program are one-on-one as of right now. Now, the Study Skills workshops are groups of 10 students, anywhere from middle school to college. And I know you might be going, Jessica, that's a really big age range, but I can tell you from my last workshop, we had 6th graders and we had 12th graders, and they need the same study skills. Okay, so that's reason number one. I'd like to have a wide range at my groups. And the thing is, even though big difference in age, big difference in experiences, well, they learned from each other. They helped each other, okay? We found on day one that they both had ADHD, and they're both able to go, well, this works for me, or, man, I wish I would have known this, okay? I can tell you it helped them both a lot. And that 6th grader going to be way better off than that 12th grader who's just now learning this study skill, okay? So that's one of the cool things that's available through the Study Skills Workshop that's not available through my Love to Learn program. Because again, one-on-one lessons, it's me and your child, and there's a lot of personalizations, a lot of focus just on your child's needs and interests, but going to miss out on the interaction with other students. Okay. The other awesome thing about the Study Skills Workshop is it's spaced over 3 days. Usually we go for about 30 minutes, depending on how many kids are there, how many students. We might go for a little closer to an hour. But the thing is, your child still gets the importance. Your child gets that kind of good overall bird's eye view of that skill. So are we able to go into as many details, as much depth as we can in our one-on-one lessons? No. There's just not enough time when there's 10 students and we're all trying to be interactive or talking. We're adding that more community aspect to it, but your child still leaves knowing how to use and implement and even practice that study skill. So for this month of September, your child's going to learn time management. Okay, I love planners, I love calendars, I love whiteboards, but yet there's a lot of students that love like Google Calendar and Reminder and all these apps on their phone. So we're going to talk about it all. Okay, now if I have a bunch of kids that show up and they've never used a planner in their life, we're going to have to spend some time talking about, well, why do you even use a planner? And how do you use a planner? And, are we going to use a paper one or electronic one? We're going to have to go through both sides of that. Okay, now I can also tell you, your child might not know how to create a schedule, and that's going to be part of this as well. But remember, with the Study Skills Workshops, it's a group. It's going to be a little more fast-paced, a little kind of broader, kind of overall topic. And when we meet, if you decide, this was really valuable, my teen loved working with you, then hopefully you will move on and your child will want to work with me one-on-one, and we can touch base on that study skill again and go, okay, what are some of these things we didn't get a chance to cover? What are questions you specifically have? And how can we make sure that you know how to use this for your learning style? So those are some quick facts about the Study Skills Workshops. So if you've got questions, you've got comments, be sure to leave them down below so I can address them in the comments, send you a message, maybe even bring them up in the next video. And even more, remember, these Study Skills Workshops are part of the Smart Cookie Club. So if you have not become a Smart Cookie, haven't joined this brand new membership I'm hosting, would love for you to do so. Okay, check it out at the link below. Decide, hey, these workshops sounds amazing. The interviews sound awesome. I want the resources. I want this. I want that. Then become a best cookie. Okay, that early bird price is still available. I believe we've already had 2 or 3 people purchase. I've given out the link to a lot more than 5 because I'm limiting it to 5. But, if you click that button and it still gives you the price, it's there waiting for you. So thank you so much. I'll see you for reason number 3 to join the Smart Cookie Club tomorrow. Bye, mamas.